Now we're going to learn the Suzy cue. This is a very popular step and many variations come off of this step, so it's very important. Again, starting with the left leg, you're going to cross twice. Your left leg will cross over your right twice. You're going cross and cross. Now the right leg has to come from behind and cross over the left. Cross and cross. Again, left comes up, cross and cross. Right leg comes around, cross and cross. So you're going cross, little step, cross. Cross, little step, cross. Don't make this big. Cross and cross. Now let's add numbers. You have 1, 2, 3, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, 5, 6, speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, arms up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's the Suzy cue.